Hi everyone! In case you missed our holiday open house and craft festival, we thought we'd give you a sneak peek of all the fun. Enjoy! Thank you to all of our amazing volunteers, vendors, and visitors. We will be taking a break for the next 3 weeks to spend time with family and friends over the holidays. Our regular videos will resume January 8th. Have a wonderful festive season and a very happy new year. Thank you so much for stopping by.